Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy an e-commerce store with WooCommerce on AWS. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Amazon Web Services account. Navigate to the AWS Management Console. In the search bar, type EC2 and select the EC2 option. Click on Launch Instance to create a new virtual server. Choose an Amazon Machine Image, or AMI, suitable for your needs. Select a predefined instance type that aligns with your expected traffic. Click on Next, Configure Instance Details. Set up your instance details, including network settings and storage options. Review and click Next, add tags to organize your instances. In the Tags section, add a tag for easy identification of your server. Proceed by clicking Next, Configure Security Group. Create a new security group to manage your server's firewall. Add inbound rules to allow HTTP and HTTPS traffic. Click on Review and Launch to finalize your instance settings. After reviewing, click on Launch. Select an existing key pair or create a new one for accessing your server. Click on Launch Instances to deploy your EC2 instance. Once the instance is running, note its public IP address. Now, connect to your instance using SSH in your terminal. Upload the necessary files for your WordPress installation. Install Apache, PHP, and MySQL on your instance. Set up MySQL by creating a new database for WordPress. Download the latest WordPress package to your server. Extract the WordPress files and move them to your webroot directory. Configure the wp-config.php file with your database details. Access your public IP in a web browser to initiate WordPress setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the WordPress installation. Once installed, log into the WordPress dashboard using your credentials. Navigate to Plugins and search for WooCommerce. Install and activate the WooCommerce plugin. Follow the WooCommerce setup wizard to configure your store settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.